Hello, in this video I want to show you top tricks you can use on camera for Honor Magic4 Lite. So the first one will be the burst shot. You can take multiple copies of photos in just a second. So simply click on a shutter and hold it for a few seconds, and that way you'll take, as I said, multiple photos. Next is to click somewhere on the screen. That way your camera will focus on a specific portion of the screen. You can also click on the sun icon next to it and hold your finger onto it. That way you'll be able to change the brightness of your picture. The next settings are in the next options are in the settings, and right here open them. You'll be able to mute the camera. That way when you take photos there will be no sound. Also go to the settings, and right here you can enable or disable floating shutter, and you can see it right here on my screen. Just move it somewhere where you like it, and it might also help you stabilize your photos, as it's easier to take the photo without moving your device. Go for the second things for the next one, and here you can enable location tag. And now if we take photos and have location settings enabled, and let's check them out, move to the information right here, and you should see the location here, but I don't have location services and internet connection right here, so sadly I can't show you, but if you have mobile data or something, that should be visible. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.